Hey guys, it's Jon Hansen with Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about air filters and air filter maintenance. A lot of people don't understand what an air filter does for your engine. It's basically like the lungs. If you're breathing clean and clear, you're going to be happy and healthy. If your lungs are dirty, it's going to restrict everything you're doing. The same thing goes with your air filter. If your air filter is clean, it's going to bring in clean air. It's going to give you good performance, good mileage, everything like that. If it's dirty, it's going to do the opposite. It's going to restrict airflow, and it's going to make your engine have a harder time going down the road. Most engine bays are going to look similar to this. Luckily for me, this one's a pretty easy one to do. You might run into an air filter box that's harder to change, and if that's the case, feel free to take it to your nearest shop and it's going to be able to do it for you. This one, I lucked out. It's going to have two little clips right here. You're going to open those clips and pull the box towards you. It's going to give you access to your air filter. As you can see, this air filter is clean, which is great. It means this car is going to be breathing healthy and moving down the road in the best performance it can ask for. To put this back in, you're just going to repeat the same steps backwards. Take your air filter, put it back in the box, just put that hood back into place with a little shove. Re-clip it, and you're good to go. As far as replacing air filters, usually every second or third oil change is when it's going to be dirty enough that you're going to want to consider it. Now that you know about the lungs of your car, keep your air filter clean and keep yourself moving down the road. Until next time, stay safe and protect your investment.